Joseph Leonard and Taylor Leverett are both continuing our team coverage of Officer Horan's death.
And Joseph is outside the courthouse with more on the suspect's appearance and what he could face if found guilty.
Well, it was an emotional hearing today as the man who's accused of killing Officer Horan was before a judge for the first time today. Now, Horan's family was surrounded by his fellow officers looking on as Tarell McMillian appeared through a video call. He's accused of shooting and killing Horan at the Food Line on Lawndale Drive. He faces first-degree murder, carrying a maximum of up to life in prison or the death penalty, coupled with an additional 39 months for 2 additional felonies. I spoke with a criminal defense attorney who says with so little known about the incident, it's hard to decide which arguments each side will take, but he did say the prosecution will probably include the following circumstances that worsen the crime of killing Horan.
The fact that he's a police officer is an aggravating factor. Whether or not the defendant has a prior felony record, especially a felony record for violent assault. If he put other people in danger, which may be the case in a grocery store, a public venue, I don't know how crowded it was, but that can be an aggravating factor.
And for the defense's argument, he says Officer Horan's body camera video will play a huge role. If it was on, what does it show? Also, depending on who initiated the struggle, regardless, he says it's an uphill battle.
Arguably, if it's a struggle, he could claim some kind of self-defense, but if he goes in there armed, that's a problem. And if he starts the physical confrontation, then that's not a defense.
Now, we do expect to hear more at McMillian's next hearing. Why was he in the store? What led up to the shooting? McMillian is due back in court on March 20th. Reporting live in Greensboro, Joseph Leonard, WFMY News 2.